Good morning, TikTokers. It's your Sandwich Dad here. If you're like me, you've encountered sandwich block. You don't know what sandwich to make for lunch. First you think maybe you'll have a hot dog. Then you're going to get the hot dogs aren't sandwiches people in your comments. Then you're like, maybe I'll make a grilled cheese. But then the grilled cheese versus melt people will be all up in your comments, if you put anything other than cheese in it. But then you're like, maybe I can get them all in my comments if I make a grilled cheese hot dog sandwich. Yeah. Good idea, Sandwich Dad. Good idea, sandwich anyone. Try it for yourself. Here we go. 4 slices of white bread. Then spread on some parquet, the margarine that thinks it's, you know. But I don't know. Margarine. Margarine side down, 2 slices of plastic cheese. And topped. Now let's put 3 wieners in the microwave. 45 seconds. Flip your grilled cheese. And then we build hot dog, pickle wedges, diced onion, yellow mustard, some celery seed, and some liquid controversy. Combine, look at it from a different angle, cut diagonally, and reveal. Oh, hot dog grilled cheese. It is a sandwich. Sandwich Dad, good day.